guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm heading out to the city to read. It's a Sunday weekly ritual that I always do. So I'm feeling a little extra today. So I'm gonna create the famous Kylie Jenner pink inner corner makeup. This makeup is super easy to create. I've done my skincare prep and now I'm concealing my under eyes and pressing the rest of the product around my forehead and nose. So now that I'm happy with the way it looks, I'm taking the banana powder from Essence Cosmetics and I'm just setting them on my under eyes, on my eyelids, so it doesn't give any kind of discoloration later on when I will apply the products on my eyes. And so I like using the Benefit Cosmetics eyebrow pencil because of the texture, the natural texture that it gives as when I stroke them gently on my eyebrow, and I like how it gives a very nice thin shade that really makes the entire eyebrow look thick. So using the other side of the eyebrow, the spoolie, I'm just brushing off my lashes also. I know they look kind of funny right now because of the the lash extensions falling out, but I do it anyway so it doesn't look weird. So I'm taking the ZOEVA Cocoa Blend palette and taking the shade Substitute for Love and applying them on my eyelid. This shade is a chocolatey brown caramel look that really matches my eyelids, which I naturally have a brown eyelids. So I'm just applying them on my eyes until I'm happy with the way it looks. If you would like to have a definition to how it needs to be, like how Kylie Jenner does it, you can apply more product if you would like, but for me this is good. Now I'm taking the concealer and I'm applying them on the inner corner of my eyes, and I'll later gently spread them evenly to the way I would love them to look, because this will later on help me when I'm applying the pink shade on my inner corners. So I'm doing this because the concealer helps to make the pink shade last way longer, because if you were to just apply the pink shade without having a concealer, the color will not be very pigmented. So this is almost the same concept as how you would do an inner corner, as how you do a cut crease makeup tutorial. It's the same thing, but in the only difference in this makeup is that you just put it out in the the inner corner of your eyes. So looking back at the eyeshadow palette, I felt like the brown shade was a little too dull for me. So I'm taking the Huda Beauty Neon palette, and that's the only pink shade that's on this palette, and I'm just packing them on my eyelids until I'm happy with the way that it looks on both sides of my eyes. And then I'm taking the Maybelline eyeliner pencil and I'm just putting them ever so slightly on my waterline, both on my lower lash line and my upper lash line too. So once I'm happy with the way it looks, I am going to just quickly put on my mascara on my lower lash line and just help to set the lash extension in place. So I'm just going to do on both ends, on the upper and lower. And just to intensify the eyebrow a little bit more, I'm taking my Intuit brow palette and I'm just coloring my entire eyebrow, if you know what that means. I'm just making them look way more thicker. And I'm taking the Milani Coral Peach blusher and I'm just putting them on my cheek. As for my lips, I'm using my Essence lip liner as the lipstick shade for this look. So I'll list the name of this product, this lip liner, on the info box, so do check them out. And this shade is very similar to the Saw lipstick, the MAC Saw lipstick, and it's very, very beautiful and elegant for this look. It's not too much, it's not too little, it just gives the perfect right amount that I want. And to highlight my cheekbones, I am using the also I'm gonna list it, but I think this is from the Body Shop that I used in my previous video, my makeup video. And to set this up, I'm also using the Pixie Beauty Skin Treats. And we are done with the makeup, guys. So now I'm just very quickly gonna set my hair. I am using the hair extensions from Montara Hair, and this is by far the best. I feel like they just sent me a perfect hair extension that really suits my colored hair, the dye hair that I have on me. And this is very easy to do. It's a beautiful clip on which really just clips onto your root. So I'm just going to part my hair according to the desired style that I want. So I'm also going to tie my hair half, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it in this video. Once I tie it half and put a knot, like a small bun on my hair, I'm going to turn around so you can see. I'm just clipping it in on the roots of my hair, and that is it, guys. I'm done with the way how it looks. If you would like me to do a hair extension video, then just let me know in the info box and I'm going to do it. So I'm just going to style my hair quickly and get going. So this is the finished makeup look, a very easy achievable look. Even if you are a beginner makeup artist just like me, this is a perfect way to do. So I'm heading out now, and thank you for watching, guys. Bye.